How to make Chrome faster in Windows 11 2025 edition. 1. Update Chrome. Open Chrome, click 3 dots, Help about Google Chrome. Make sure you are running the latest version. 2. Turn on hardware acceleration. Settings, System enable, use hardware acceleration when available, relaunch Chrome. 3. Clear cache, cookies, browsing data. Control plus Shift plus Delete, choose all time, check cached images and files, cookies, click clear data. 4. Disable unnecessary extensions. Go to Chrome extensions, remove or disable anything you don't use. 5. Enable performance mode. Settings, performance, turn on memory saver and energy saver, new in recent Chrome versions. 6. Use Chrome flags, advanced. Go to Chrome flags and enable. Enable parallel downloading, speeds up downloads. Smooth scrolling, smoother browsing. Zero copy rasterizer, faster rendering. Use Chrome flags carefully, they are experimental. 7. Disable background apps. Settings, System, turn off, continue running background apps when Chrome is closed. 8. Use a lightweight theme. Avoid heavy themes and use Chrome's default or a minimal theme to reduce load. 9. Reset Chrome settings, if needed. Settings, reset and clean up, restore settings to their original defaults. Thus, scan for malware. Malicious extensions or programs can slow down Chrome. Use built-in Windows security or tools like Malwarebytes. Preload pages for faster browsing. Go to Chrome settings, cookies. Scroll to preload pages, enable preload pages for faster browsing and searching. Chrome uses predictive loading to preload pages, you might click next. 12. Enable Quick Protocol. Quick is a faster, modern transport layer protocol. Go to Chrome flags. Search for Experimental Quick Protocol. Set to enabled, then restart Chrome. 13. Use tab groups and auto-suspend inactive tabs. Right-click a tab, add to new group for better tab management. Install an extension like the Great Suspender, or use built-in memory saver in Chrome. Reduces memory use and CPU load when many tabs are open. 14. Switch to light mode data saver for limited connections. Not available on desktop by default, but similar effects can be achieved by disabling high-resolution media loading via extensions. Blocking ads tracking scripts with uBlock Origin. 15. Optimize Windows 11 itself. Go to Settings, Startup Apps, disable unnecessary ones. Open Task Manager, Performance, identify background hogs. Make sure Storage Sense is enabled in Settings, storage to keep junk cleaned. 16. Run Chrome Cleanup tool, now built in. Go to Chrome Settings, Cleanup. Click Find to let Chrome scan for harmful software, Windows only. 17. Limit the number of tabs. Chrome becomes slower with too many open tabs. Use extensions like One Tab, collapse all tabs into one list. Tab Wrangler, auto-close unused tabs.